If you got an iPhone, I'm going to show you guys how to clear your cookies, your cache, and to make your web browsing private.
And I'm going to be teaching you guys how to delete your cookies, your cache, and to make your iPhone private. So if you got an iPhone and you accidentally went on badstuff.com and you don't want anybody to see that you went on it, and every time you close it out and you close it and you go to type in the word BAD, it automatically knows that that's what you've been to. This is called your search and your history. First is you're going to want to go to your settings on your iPhone and you're going to look for Safari, the app that you search the stuff you want to delete with. Click on Safari, and this is where you can turn off stuff. Search engine Google, search engine suggestions. If you want to turn stuff like that off, you don't want it to suggest what you want to go to, that's stuff that you'd want to turn off. Just go through this area right here and read it all, but this is where you're going to want to delete your cookies. Where'd you go? It's down here somewhere. Oh, clear history and search. This will clear everything that you just searched. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to Safari and you're going to type in badstuff.com. If you were trying to murder somebody or look up something like that or look at bad things, it no longer sees what you were looking at. Now, it will save it if you don't do this. So if you go to a website, see this little square down here in the bottom right corner? Touch that and it says private. Now you're private. It will no longer save the data you are going to, but it will save the last one I just went to. And if you go back to delete your cookies and your cache where I showed you, it will then turn that off again. So what you're going to need to do is don't search anything and hit that little square box there and then put it on private. So just double check that that doesn't get unchecked right there. If that stays checked where it says private and it's highlighted as it is, you are now private on searching everything. So I hope this video helps you guys out on how to make your phone private without locking it or anything like that, but just people not seeing what you're searching. So this is the area again where you want to check and uncheck stuff like that for people not to know what you're searching. So thanks for watching again. Bye-bye.